All right, let's show you how to wire up a single pole light switch. My power is off right now. First step, grab all your whites. These will be your neutrals 9 out of 10 times. Get wire strippers and snip. Get you some wire nuts. Okay, strip them about 1/2 inch. Put your 3 whites, wire nut them together, and stuff those in the back of your box. Okay, take my ground wires, like this. I will snip them equal. I will keep 1 pigtail. I will wire those together. So I'll have 4 wires under this wire nut. And I will stuff those in the box. So now you are left with your hot wires and your possible switch leg. I will take all of my hot wires. I'll push the ground off to the side, and I will cut those as well. And I will keep 1 pigtail. I will strip these. Okay, I got all 3 of those stripped. I'll turn my breaker on for my lights. Then grab a hot stick and find your hot wire. Okay, this has my power right now. So one of these wires will go to the light and one will go to my other lights. So to figure out which one is the switch leg to your light, you will take these and I will touch it. See how my light came on? Okay, now I'll test this wire. Okay, you see how my lights came on everywhere else? So this wire needs to be my other hot, and this will be my switch leg on the other side of my switch. So I will wire my hot and my hot together, and I will shut the breaker back off. Okay, now my breaker's off, I can touch them. I won't get shocked. Okay, I will strip my pigtail here. Wire nut my 2 hots together, like so, with my pigtail. Okay, so I got switch leg. This goes to my light in the room. My hot, which brings power to my light and to all my other lights, and my ground. Now we'll put the switch in. Okay, this is just a single pole switch. It will only have 2 brass screws and 1 ground. Looks like I accidentally bought the ivory switches, so we'll put it in and then I'll have to change it out. But I will wrap my ground around my green screw here, like so. Take your screwdriver impact, tighten it down. I'll take my wire cutters and make a loop. And you want those to go the way the screw spins. So it will go here. And on a switch, it doesn't matter what screw you land these to. Either way, it'll work. All switch does is make contact between this point and this point. So I will loop them, take my wire cutters and pinch them down. I will take my impact and tighten them up. Now just stuff it back in the box. Now turn your power on and test. Power on. Okay, my lights out here are working, so I got that right. Now let's see if she works.